Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm going to show you how to apply Pro Lash on someone else today. There are a lot of people that are intimidated by lashes and putting them on themselves, so it's a great service for you guys to have to put them on someone else and kind of give them that great first experience. So let's get started. You start with your starter kit. You need tweezers, adhesive, scissors, and your lashes. So I'm gonna get everything out and ready for me. So our first step is applying adhesive. Before you start, you wanna make sure that their eyes are completely clean of all makeup or any debris. So she cleansed her eyes and they look very clean, so we're ready to start. You use the adhesive first, and you're gonna kind of apply it like a makeup artist would apply mascara. So you're not gonna have them look up, you're not gonna have them look down, you're gonna have them look straight at you. So just look straight at me. And that way I can take like this finger and I can move her eyelid up and down if I need to get into her eyes. Okay, so we wanna just do one eye at a time. So I'm gonna start applying the adhesive. So you're gonna move their eyelid up a little bit and just apply on those bases of the lashes. I'm gonna get a little more on my adhesive. One. Just wanna get right in there on the bases. And you can see it's a super light coat. It's nothing that's super chunky. It's light. If you do get any clumps, just brush them out. All right, we are ready to apply. These lashes are how they go on her eye. So this is the inside, middles, and the outer, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna start on the inside, and you're just gonna grab the lashes and pull down. This is the perfect angle to have when you're applying them on someone. You wanna go in with the adhesive first. You kind of wanna go down and then put them up, because then that's when it attaches. So get it down there, get it where you want it, and then put it up and attach it. So we're gonna start with her inside, kind of same thing, have her look straight, and then we're gonna go in there and attach them. Right there. All right, we're gonna do the middle section now. So you'll grab it, pull down. Get it where you want it and pull it up. Just like that. All right, so you have her closed, and you're just gonna make sure you're happy with the application, and once you're happy, you're gonna go in and crimp them. And make sure that they're met perfectly right there at the base. So this eye's done, and then we're gonna do this eye next. We're gonna start by applying adhesive again. So you're just gonna move there, you're gonna have them look straight ahead, and you're just gonna apply it on the bases of her lashes. Just a light coat. And then we can start applying the lashes again. Again, this is the inside, these are the middles, and that's the outside. Something to note, you don't wanna go too far inside. You wanna leave a few healthy lashes so it doesn't poke, because close your eyes. When you close your eyes contract inwards. So if you are too close in here, it'll poke you right there. So make sure you leave some healthy lashes. All right, and so this, I just grabbed them off. You want it to be in this position. You wanna go in like this and then connect them together once you get in there. And again, just have them look forward. Put them where you want them, right there. How's that? Awesome. All right, and then usually this outer section you need to trim if it's too big for their eye, but it will fit perfectly on her. So we're just gonna put the whole thing on. All right, so I'll have her close now. And you're just gonna look on the top and make sure your placement is good. And if you like it, then that's when you'll crimp. So you're gonna go in and you're gonna crimp just on the bases. Make sure everything's met perfectly on the base. All right, and we're done. That is how you apply them on someone else. I think it's really important to note a few things. So the first thing I want to make sure you guys do is customize them to their eye. That's what the scissors are for. You don't want to get overzealous and go too big on the outside or the inside. You want to make sure to fit it perfectly to their eye or it can create discomfort. Another thing that you need to focus on is not getting too close to their lash line. You can get too close to their eye. You want to just be right on that lash line. You don't want to be way too close to their eye. So that's really important to note. And then the third thing is just to check your placement before you crimp. So make sure you're happy with how everything's laying. You have them close their eyes. And then if you're happy with that placement, that's when you crimp. This first application, if you're selling this with a starter kit, is perfect to show them how to apply them. And that way, the rest of the sets they can go home and do on their own and have a month full of lashes. So this is great for artists across so many different industries. Every client you put these on, they're gonna love them. They're beautiful. I hope you guys love using them as much as we do.